Hey everyone, today we're going to be going through how to save and export your work. So let's get started. Head up to File, then head over to Save As or to Save. When you save for the first time, it will pop up with the file system. It will ask you to name your work and also to place it in the folder location you want it in. Here you can also see the shortcuts for Save and Save As. For Save, it's Ctrl and S. For Save As, it's Ctrl, Shift and S. Once you have saved your work, you can now think about exporting it to the file type you need to showcase, send or print. Head back up to File, then to Export. Here you can choose the file location, the file name and also the file type. Generally, if it's a normal still image, you will want to look at JPEG or PNG for images. That will need a transparency characteristic. Once you save, a new window may pop up to ask for more specifics. If you are low on space or the service you are using requires a lower file size, then use the compression slider to make your file smaller. The other settings will most likely be okay leaving on default. Once you are happy with the options, then press OK. Regarding exporting an animation, head back up to File, then to Render Animation. Here a new window will pop up. If you want it to play as a normal video or a GIF, then make sure that that option is checked. If you want the individual animation frames to be exported, then use the top checkbox too. Make sure the settings are all in the values you want, then you can check the video location and file name, then press OK. Once your work is exported, saved and or rendered, make sure to check the final piece to make sure it is how you want it before publishing, sending or printing. Awesome! I hope you have fun experimenting with these options. I'll see you in the last episode of this 10-part mini-series on the basics of art and animation in Krita.